Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to the casino that is the stock market. My name is Shades. If it's your first time here, be sure to subscribe and give the video a like. It really helps the channel grow. Now let's jump into the video. We're jumping right into it. Igpk. Igpk had a massive over 35% dump because of the mention of a reverse split. And here is an opportunity to add a stock that gets plenty of catalyst and movement. Had it nice and cheap, because if we look here, we have plenty of support. This is our support here. This is absolutely at the bottom of the range. The absolute bottom, of course, would be in triple zeros. If it goes to triple zeros, this thing is pretty much dead at that point. At that point, you just add down there and hope that it gets enough attention to move. It did go from triple zeros to 0.0197, so clearly a stock that's very much worth your attention, as long as you aren't just looking to flip it. Because if you're just looking to flip, you're going to sell for coconuts when you can hold for the bigger bucks. And you have to exercise patience and discipline, which unfortunately not a lot of people have. But if you do have that discipline and patience, I would definitely wait one more day. Give it one more day and see if it comes down as low as 003s, or if it doesn't hold this area here, then we'll get, who knows, we'll come down to 002s and then 001. So I would watch out. I wouldn't buy the dip. I know some people are definitely, there's always going to be those people that buy the dip on a huge dump, but I would wait to see it and see if buyers step in as well. Enough that we get like a nice green candle at least. And then maybe some sideways action here within the trading range. So let's see, how high did this go? 0049, 0055. I mean, for all intents and purposes, we have a trading range right now, at least. There you go. We're only going up to the wick here. And I'm going to mark it in red. There you go. So that's our tight little trading range between the lowest point of 003 and the highest point of 006. So if you can get in and flip it, then you'd be flipping it. You could flip it potentially for 50 to 100% gains. If you want to buy the dump here, and if you think this is an overreaction, which I believe it is. If they dumped it based off of the mention of the reverse split, it's usually, well, not always, but almost always, it's just an overreaction. People getting scared. Oh no, we're reverse split. Oh no. But I've also seen penny stocks that continue to fall and never recover. So that's why I'm saying just be very careful. Be very careful. Absolutely. I'm not jumping in this. I'm not, like I said, if I do, I'm waiting a couple more days and seeing how it's going to move, because the next couple of days it could just continue to trend back down to triple zeros and it dies. Right? Without volume and attention, it's just not going to go anywhere, and that's the reality. Anyways, there's your game plan. If you're going to buy here at 003s, probably you might want to have a stop loss at 0025 at best, because you want to get out at that point, and then you can buy back in wherever it bottoms out at that point. If it doesn't hold this trading range that it's in, again, it's held this since the beginning of the year, since 1/19/2024. We not only did we break out above 003, but we held it here. So it's, and here again. So that's 3 times where the stock held this level, and that's why it's on my radar more than anything, because I like opportunities. If you give me an opportunity to buy something nice and cheap when everyone else is running scared, I'm there for it. But for the most part, let me see if I can mark this in. Let's go with yellow. So here, oops, that is not what I was looking for. So here we got the first bounce, oops. And then we got another one here. How do I copy? This is my first time using. There we go. So here we got 2 and 3. 4th time's the charm maybe? We'll see. Some trading ranges, they hold. Let me show you an example here before I finish this video. But if we look at a trading range in Tilray, look at Tilray. You see the bottom on that one? Sheesh. That bottom, it's been there for a long time now, since last year, June. So if this is the kind of price action we're going to get with Igpk, I think it's a buy down here. But again, have a stop loss. Don't be like some people who just buy it and, oh no, it didn't go up, I'm losing money. Yeah, that's why you set a stop loss. You only lose a little bit and not hold it all the way down to triple zeros. Not going to pretend like I know anything about the company. I don't. I haven't done my research, but just on the technicals alone, it's looking good if it holds. And that's it for the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.